relatives, and hello to my Luluverse. So, feeling ko itong makukuha ma-post before yung Beltane na curse reading ko. Kasi nga, yun, kanina, nag-read ako kanina about myself. Ipopost ko din yun, actually. Ipopost ko din yun. So, someone needs to hear this message. So, alam ko para sa inyo to, kasi nga, alam ko kayo, kilala ko kayo. Someone needs to hear this message. Kasi lagi nyo tinatanong sa akin na if di, every time ko live ako sa TikTok, mga sisters, huwag nyo na kahit tanong kung magbabalik ka pa kay ex nyo. So, gagawa na lang ako ng collective kung babalik sila. So, guys, kukunin ko na itong other two cards ko. Here are my Egyptian tarot cards and my favorite tarot cards. So guys, yun. So gagamitin ko din na sa inyo yung isa sa mga favorite kong tarot cards, which is note the favorite cards, the poker cards, which is like very significant to me, and I don't know why. Kasi guys, since wala na nga sa akin yung ano, yung favorite cards ko, and di ko alam kung nasa na yon. And order na lang kasi ako ng bago nun, so don't worry about guys. So yun guys. So I am using poker cards, just a replacement for those, okay? So yun, ayan. So kukuha tayo ng, actually hindi naman sila same ng poker cards, so makikita nyo pa rin ako gumamit ng poker cards, but the intensity kapag gumagamit ako ng Book of Shadows tarot card is like the same as I'm using this one, okay? So um let's see what is needed to hear. Give me your energy. For a private reading, you know what to do. Punta lang kayo sa TikTok ko, and dun lang po kayo pwede avail ng private reading. Hindi po ako nagko-contact sa inyo dito sa Facebook. So, you can only avail my private reading to TikTok, okay? Tapos dun ko na lang send yung link kung paano ako tatawag sa inyo, and ganon lang. Okay? Okay. So, oops. Ang dami. So, since andyan, kuhain ko na muna tong cards na tumalon. And this is for you. So, yan. So, this tumalon na cards, babasahin ko. And this is for you. So since lagi kayo tanong-tanong, and dito na naman kayo sa Facebook, and you know what, and mostly sa inyo, nilipat ko na din sa Facebook, and yung mostly sa inyo, nasa TikTok pa din. So, ipopost ko to, tapos ipopost ko yung collective, yung kalahati ng collective sa TikTok, okay? Okay. So someone that will reach this video, na umaasa pa sa mga ex nila, huwag na kayo umasa, hindi babalik, no? So, move forward. So, this is a move forward reading for you. Okay? Okay. So, we have the Two of Diamonds. You are still weighing the pros and cons here. No? You are still deluluing. So, stop that. Stop weighing the pros and cons here. With the Two of Diamonds card here. No? We have the Eight of Diamonds. You are still hoping that they will come back. I can feel with the 8. Pero, diamonds kasi to eh. This is significant with money. So, like, I can feel that you are like investing something. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Investing something to meet this person, don't do that, no? Like, wag ganun. We have here the 8 of Spade, which is significant for karma. Karma releasing, karma approaching. He will get his karma. He will get, she will get her karma. You know it, you know it. We have the 2 of Clover, which is significant with choices. You are in between choices. You are juggling. I can feel with the 2 of Diamonds and 2 of Clover that you are juggling. Choose what makes you happy. Okay? Pero pag sinabi kong choose what makes you happy, don't go back. Don't go back. King of Hearts. This is very significant for a water sign energy. Water sign energy. Um, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. You are dealing with that, or you are dealing with a Cancer, Pisces, in Scorpio, or you are dealing with, or you are a Cancer, Pisces, in Scorpio, Sun, Moon, or Rising. Okay, okay. So we have the Jack of Clover, which is significant for new adventures. Try to be, try to try to build something new about yourself. If you are dealing with this King of Hearts energy, forget about him or her and just do what you are. This is the full card here, no? Starting point, starting new beginnings. So this is the full card here, like the equivalent of the full card in the ano, in the tarot card. So like this is like the full card. So don't worry about that. So we have the 6 of Clover, which is you are putting something here. You're putting something here. And it's either energy, you are putting something like energy to this person, like you're still you are still talking about this person. I can feel it. I can feel it. So we have the Queen of Diamonds, an earth sign energy. You are the feminine earth sign energy. You are the queen. You are the queen. No? You are the queen. You know that you have your worth, that you have that. So, if you are an earth sign talaga, like Capricorn, Virgo, and Taurus, and you are dealing with an water sign energy here. So, like, the water sign and the earth sign are really compatible talaga, to be honest. And, but, there's something here that you need to let go na. No? Though, yes, sa zodiac signs, compatible po ang water sign at earth sign. But, you need to let go na. Okay? Okay. So, this reading, if you consider yourself as a masculine person, hindi, di ko na, i-generalize ko na lang, if you are an earth sign, like Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, this reading is for you, okay? Doon ko na nilagay sa gitna. So, next is 7 of Diamonds. 7 of Spades. Joker na red. Joker na red is significant, like, ito yung parang, parang the sun. Parang the sun dito sa, so, We have the Ace of Heart. Sabi ko, kalimutan mo na. Bakit may Ace of Heart pa dito? Limutan mo na. Limutan mo na. Ten of Spade. You are having vivid dreams about him or her. You are having vivid dreams about him or her. So we have here the Seven of Diamonds and Seven of Spade. Seven of Diamonds is like your hard work is paying off. And Seven of Spade is there's a traitor person here. And wag ka na nga bumalik kasi this person is like very deceptive, will offer you something, but it's not nice. No, it's not nice. Yes, he will offer you this Ace of Hearts, but there's full of deceitment over here. Deceitment, no? Though ikaw naman si tanga-tanga, magiging masaya ka like the Joker na na like, what the fuck? Hala, nagparamdam siya, masamang espiritu. Ganon. Like, hala, like, gaganon ka. Alam ko, kilala kita, sis. Oh, sis, baka natamaan ka. Sorry. Ilag na lang kung natamaan. Collective ito, hindi ito private. Collective ha, collective. Okay, collective. Baka natamaan kayo eh. So, we have the Joker, the Jack of Spade, which is new learning. New learning, learning about something, studying about something. This person will come towards you very calculated. Kinakalculate niya every move. Hoy, hala! Ba't naman ganun? Kalimutan mo na nga, sis. Kalimutan nyo na. We have, diba, the Beltenackers. Hindi kayo tatantanan ng Beltenackers. Andito talaga ang black magic ko, mga sisters. The Ace of Spade. Okay. Since kanina pa kasi umaga, kada read ko, pagkagising ko, read. Pasok, uwi, read. Pagkatapos, read. Before practice, read. Pagkatapos, before tinda, read. After tinda, read. After practice, before practice, read. After practice, read. So, like, kanina pa siya nagpaparamdam. Pati self-collective ko nagpaparamdam ang Beltenackers. Mag-move on naman kasi kayo. Ayun ang Beltenackers. The Ace of Spade is significant with black magic. Bad luck. Okay? Malas kung babalikan niyo yung person na yon. Diba? Yun yung Beltenackers. Charot. Pag ito, Queen of ano pa. Pag ito, Queen of Clover pa. Kalimutan niyo na nga kasi. Ala, Queen of Clover pa nga ang loka. The Beltenackers is here. The Beltenackers is here. Kahit sa collective ko, inahabol kayo ng Beltenackers. Sorry. Sorry for that. Sorry for my collective. O diba, may Beltenackers talaga. So guys, yun na nga. So, the Beltenackers is like, you know it. So, let's proceed to the collectives Egyptian tarot card reading. Okay? Okay. Oops, tumalon. Dalawa. Oh, tatlo na pala yan. So, halalay, what the fuck? Hinahabol kayo ng Baltina curse. Don't worry, may pangontra ka sa Baltina curse, kaya don't worry about that. Oops. Collective to ha, collective. Actually, collective to. Kung may natamaan man sa inyo, this is really for you. And, this is really for you. If may natamaan sa inyo. Kasi, like, ganon. This person is like, napapansin ko dito, ayok, nilulumansi na naman tayo, like, don't bother. Kasi may Ace of Hearts pa dito eh. So, there's something here. There's something here, really. There's something here. So, like, don't say I didn't warn you. But mag-ingat lang. Kasi nga, Baltina curse. No. Baltina curse. Okay? Baltina curse. Malas. Okay? Malas. Okay, wag kayo babalik. Okay? Wala babalik. Ganon. So, let's see about your Egyptian tarot cards. We have the Queen of Cups in reverse. We have the Magician. Oh, nag-low vibration talaga yung reading na. We have the Devil. The Devil. We have the Four of Pentacles. Ah, no, that's not the Devil. That's not the Devil. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse pala yan. Sorry. Magkamukha kasi yung the Devil tsaka Wheel of Fortune. This is not the Devil. So, baka sa mga next cards ko, the Devil na mabubunot. So, don't worry about that. Let's see. We have 8 of Swords. We have 10 of Pentacles. So, sis, you are this empath energy. Water, emotions, in reverse. You are pouring your emotions, your love to a wrong person. No? Maling tao. Like ganun. Trust your intuitions. Something is yet to be revealed. Hindi pala siya the magician. Ano pala siya? Sorry. The high priestess. Mali-mali tuloy ako. Visit ka Egypt. Wala kasing nakasulat sa baba. Hirapan ako. Like, napagkamalan ko pang the devil to. So, we have the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Like, the Wheel of Fortune is reverse. In reverse is bad luck. Diba? Alam niyo naman yan. Like, bad luck. Malas. Tapos meron pa kayo ditong Ace of Spade. We have the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Gatekeeping something. You are not letting go kasi. You are not letting go. You're still into this person, to be honest. We have here 8 of Swords. Kasi kahit ilang beses nyo naman hindi kasi tinatanong nyo naman kasi sa mga readings kapag lalalive sa TikTok eh. So talagang you are really into this person. So nakikita ko dito like ganun. Like you are stuck with this person. And hindi maganda yun. Try to have peace with yourself. Peace with yourself. Kasi the Ten of Pentacles is like abundance. No? Abundance money. Ganun. Like you are gatekeeping this person. Like for yourself. That's why you are forcing me to do spells. Like, diba? Like, yan naman. Pero diba yung built-in na curse, may naman nyo mamaya kung ano yung built-in na curse. So, pag na-post ko tong video na to siguro, mauuna to before yung built-in na curse na reading. And, yun. May reading kasi ako about myself. Pero andito pa din lahat talaga, dito tinatantanan ng Queen of the Queen of Wands and Queen of and the Ace of Ace of Spades. Kanina pa yan, as in, hindi ako tinatantanan. Ay, nako. So, okay, let's see. 1, with my favorite tarot card, 2, 3, 4. I did see the High Priestess again. 5. I did see the High Priestess again. I did see the High Priestess again. The Beltane curse is moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the 6 of Cups. You're still into this past energy of yours, which is not good. Ramdam ko dito, like, you are stuck in the past. Why are you stuck in the past? You are in the hermit mode. Hermit, searching, longing for some. This is like, this is not for all. I can hear a specific person that will watch this. The Hermit card, you are searching her in someone. Like parang ganon. But some of you are in the hermit mode. Like, withdrawing all. Like, ganon. Sis, lumande. Wag magpaka-hermit. Two of Swords. You are in this energy of fighting the urge to contact him, or you have this energy like, kasi iniiwasan mo na kasi din, no, like ganun. This is a very specific person that I am seeing, like, this is a very specific person. If you are dealing with, wait lang, let's check about, if you are dealing with the bottom of the deck, the other one, 6 of Cups in reverse. If you are dealing with someone, like, if you are dealing with someone, you are withdrawing, and then naman withdrawing, you are fighting the urge to contact him or her. Like, I can feel, sabi mo na nga, Sisi. Sabi na nga muna, no contact nga muna eh. Nibibwisit nyo ko. Kung nung April, dilulumansi tayo, ngayon hindi mo tayo dilulumansi kasi nga nandito tayo sa Beltena Curse. Nag-start na po ang Beltena Curse natin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit niyo ba kasi binawa ng counter spell yung spell ko. Reset. Three of Wands. Planning. Strategizing. Long-term goals. Ba't ko na-pick up ang long-term goals? Long-term goals. Planning, strategizing. I can feel you. I can feel you. So, sister, sinasabi ko sa'yo, stop those plans. Stop those plans. Okay? Madami ko ang kinansel na plans eh. Madami ko ang kinansel na plans. Tapos kayo, hindi nyo kakancel sa inyo. Belte na curse. Belte na curse. Sabi ko nga, 'di ba, like, if what's meant for you will come back to you. Ay, hindi. Ayun nga, what's meant for you will come back to you. Hindi naman kasi, like, hindi naman always ganun. Hindi lahat ng dilulumansi na tinuturo ko sa inyo is working for you. Kasi magkakaiba po tayo ng numerology. Like, ganun. If sa iba, gumagana siya, to some, it's not. Try to move forward. Okay? We have the Empress. Try to work on yourself becoming this Empress energy. Try to become this Empress energy. Kasi sabi ko nga, diba, like, hindi naman lahat ng spells is applicable to all. Hindi lahat ng spells are applicable to all. There are certain spells that are applicable to some. There are spells that are applicable to many. But there are spells that you can only do it for yourself. Kasi nga, mayroon tayong tinatawag na numerology which align with our magic. Diba? Like, kunyari, example, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 8 plus 2 plus 2. 8 plus 2. 10 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, 11. 11. Charot. Wait lang, para mali. 1 plus 1. Wait lang, mali. Mali. 1 plus 14. 1 plus 14. 1 plus 14. 50. 1 plus 15. 1 plus 14. 15. 15 plus 20. 50 plus 20. 30. 35. Plus 1. 36. 36 plus 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6. 9. 9 is the number of completion. 9 is number of creation. 9 is number of self. 9 is the number of luxury. So, yun. So, that's why there are some certain spells na isang beses ko lang ginagamit. Tapos isusunugin ko na. Ganun na po yun. So, try to move forward, try to move on, and you know it, you know it, you know it. The Beltina curse is here, and it is approaching who viewed my story. Pero don't worry, there are persons that are protected. But those na hindi ko makakilala, bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Pag-view and yung story ko. Technomancy. Technomancy pa. Hindi, my family, my friends are protected with a certain magic spell for that. So, you will not be affected by that. To my soul sisters, you are protected with that. To my clients, you are also protected with that. And to those my enemies, to those spies, to those kinemechu, kayo bahala kayo sa buhay nyo. Like, you know it, you know it, you know it. Hindi kayo protected sa mga spells ko. Hindi. Like, the only thing can break this built-in na curse until now, nandito pa rin. Hindi, papakita ko sa inyo yung reading ko. I-focus ko talaga. Feeling ko mauuna talaga to. So, yun. Mauuna tong post na to. After this post, pupost ko yung built-in na curse. And yun, makikita nyo doon. Lap trip. Lap trip. Lap trip. Tumatatawad na. So, yun guys. And, you know it. You know it. You know it.